Hey there! Welcome to Modern English Vibes, your ultimate space to learn modern English, speak confidently, and vibe with the coolest phrases.
Ugh, I just can't do it. Starting a conversation with strangers feels like trying to decode a secret language.
Oh, what happened this time? Did you try saying hey and get a blank stare?
Worse, I said, "Nice weather, huh?" And the person just nodded and walked away. I felt like an awkward emoji IRL.
Oh, Emma, you're hilarious. Starting small talk isn't that hard. You just need the right phrases to break the ice. Want me to teach you?
Please, I'm tired of being the queen of awkward silences.
Grinning. Count me in. I'm curious if I've been doing it all wrong too.
All right, let's start with the basics. When you meet someone, instead of just saying, "Hi," try this. "Hi, I love your outfit, shoes, bag. Where did you get it?" People love compliments.
Oh, that's good. Everyone likes a little flattery.
Exactly. And if you're at an event, say something like, "Hi, I'm Emma. How do you know host's name?" It's an easy way to find common ground.
What about random places like this park?
Easy. Try, "Hey, do you come here often? It's such a nice spot." Or, "Hi, do you know if there's a good coffee place nearby?" It's simple and opens the door to conversation.
I could use that coffee line at work too.
Totally. Speaking of work, if you're meeting colleagues or new people in an office, say, "Hi, I'm Emma. What do you do here?" It's friendly and professional.
These are good, but what about when someone looks busy or distracted?
Great question, Jack. In that case, keep it casual. Say, "Hey, I'm sorry to bother you, but I just wanted to say," insert compliment or ask a quick question. It shows you respect their time.
That's so helpful. Do you have any get out of awkwardness phrases?
Of course. If there's an awkward pause, you can say, "Oh, by the way, did you hear about mention something interesting or trending?" It's like hitting the reset button.
Isn't it awkward to approach them?
Don't take it personally. Not everyone is in the mood to chat. Just smile and say, "No worries, have a great day." Politeness goes a long way.
Okay, let me recap. 1. Compliment to start. 2. Ask about mutual connections. 3. Use location-based questions. 4. Be professional at work. 5. Acknowledge if someone's busy. 6. Reset awkward pauses. 7. Exit politely if needed.
Perfect summary, Emma. Now let's practice. Jack, pretend Emma's a stranger at a coffee shop. Emma, go start a conversation.
Let's see how this goes.
Hi, I couldn't help but notice your laptop sticker. Are you into gaming?
Oh yeah, big time. What about you?
Nailed it. See, Emma? You're already a pro.
Thanks, Sarah. This might actually be fun.
If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy English tips. See you in the next video.